Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to my channel Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Bhagavad Gita Introduction, Episode 4. We are continuing from Episode 3. Episode 4, in this we are discussing about how important this transcendental science is. Just see how important this should be. Our life, our decisions, we act in a way we think. I act in a way that I think. I think I am body. I act according to bodily demands. So, another thing is that our priorities in life change. As we understand that we are not this body, we are spirit soul. Now we are identifying with certain responsibilities. Oh, I am husband, I am father, I am wife, I am son, I am this, I am that, so my responsibilities are this and that. If I am a spirit soul, then our responsibilities are something else. What happened to those responsibilities? We never thought about this. We never identified with that. I am spirit soul, then there is some responsibilities to discharge. If you join in a job, there is some responsibilities to discharge. Suppose, what is designation? What is responsibility like that? When I am a spirit soul, what are my responsibilities? If I have ever questioned, what is my responsibility towards family of Krishna? If I am a spirit soul, family member of Krishna, because we are not asking those responsibilities. We are thinking the bodily responsibilities are all in all. My only responsibility is I am working in a company, I have family, that is the only scope of responsibility. I have a broader scope of responsibility. I have higher responsibility as a part and parcel of Krishna. How to act in those responsibility? That is altogether changes our life. This is real dream world, which we don't have any information. So, to realize the soul, or in other words, we say we polishing the cage, forgetting the parrot inside. To realize the Atma, one has to act as Atma. Now it is the last part. How to realize it? Okay, now it is very important. We are Atma. How can we realize Atma? There is a scientific program for this. So, to realize Atma, one has to function as Atma. You want to know American life, you have to go associate with Americans. Forget that you are Indian for some time. Then you will know how Americans will live. What are their behavior? What are they thinking? What is American life all about? If we want to realize Atma, we have to get their association first. In that, we don't see with material yardstick. If you want to understand American life, you have to keep your Indian yardstick outside. The Indian thinking. To realize Atma, you have to associate with self-realized souls. You don't see them or calculate them based on body or the way. We think till now We should hear from a self-realized soul. You should take instructions from them. Act based on those instructions. How to please Krishna? When we try to please Krishna, you realize your identity. It requires a change in lifestyle. A serious, rigorous training is required to realize Atma. We have to take the instructions of spiritual master. Act. Those are responsibilities of the soul. Prescribed duties. When we discharge those prescribed duties, rise early in the morning, etc. All these are called prescribed duties. Prescribed for us to realize Atma. As we more and more identify as the servant of spiritual master, you are identifying the servant of Krishna. So, you take the instruction, follow the instructions, because you are servant. More and more, you become self-realized. While doing these out material body responsibilities, reverses. Suppose you want to rise early morning, body is not cooperating, then tolerate and discharge higher responsibilities of spiritual master. That is how you realize Atma. Gradually you become Sakama Karma and then Niskama Karma and then Bhakti Yogi or servant of Krishna. Full feature of servant of Krishna manifests. You are acting as soul, acting as soul, acting as soul. You realize this any else, then your other responsibilities take back seat. Automatically, the spirit soul is happy as a spirit soul. You automatically take responsibilities of material. Material well-being follows spiritual well-being. Now, you don't need anything much. Actually, we focus as soul. We don't need much. You can tolerate. You don't need AC. You don't need many things. Simple living and high thinking. When we bodily needs are very less, you don't need to work hard. You don't need to compete with anybody. Financial expenses goes down very much. There is very minimum things we need. We like as soul. If you go into the dream world, you never be satisfied. It is fish out of water. How many nice things you give, you are not satisfied. Even top position you achieve in this world, you are not satisfied. Take it for granted, because we are not that golden cage, but bird is dying inside. One will be burning with envy, pride, many asuric qualities. Even more success you achieved, more you are unhappy. Hiranyakashipu was not happy because Ajitendriya. It is very important to realize Atma. I am going to stop here today. I will continue in next episode. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय। निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल।